How's it, guys? Brought to you by Chill Out Air Conditioning. Now listen carefully. Severe thunderstorms, guys. Okay, the weather's going to get very interesting. What's happening at the moment is we've got cold air coming in from the Atlantic and meeting warm tropical air from the Indian Ocean, guys, causing havoc at this point and a possible cut-off low in the south. Three systems causing big maracas in the country at the moment, guys. So Bloemfontein, we're looking at rain on Saturday for you guys as well. Okay, this possibility of rain for Bloemfontein. Now remember, this is causing let's see here. Oh, hey. This is causing a lot of convection and stuff in the interior, so just get ready, guys. But the big news is coming, guys. Let me just tell you now, and I hope that severe warnings are put out for what I'm just about to announce. Okay, so Joburg, it looks like we've got rain on the 9th. We've got thunderstorms, possible thunderstorms on the 9th for Johannesburg. Durban, possible thunderstorms on Monday as well for Durban. Tuesday, you guys have severe thunderstorms in the Eastern Cape and on the East Coast, guys, because of this cold front mixing up with the Indian Ocean's warm air, guys. I tried to give it to you in a grade 1 aspect, but what's happening is cold air has met tropical warm air, and this is going to cause a lot of instability in the atmosphere, guys, causing severe thunderstorms for the Eastern Cape and the East Coast. This is Durban's area as well. From Tuesday to Wednesday, Durban, one of those days, you have a severe thunderstorm on your doorstep. So Durban, get ready. You have a very bad storm building up for you guys. This is exactly where the cold front meets the hot tropical air, and it's right above KZN. So KZN, my opinion, I think that severe warnings should be put out for KZN from Tuesday to Wednesday, guys, because it looks like a massive storm on the way for KZN. Okay, so get ready for that. That's my opinion, and I always know my opinions are what I just calculated. It doesn't look good. Okay, so let's just recap here. Bloemfontein, rain this weekend. It's showing. Joburg, it's showing rain for Monday. Durban, your storms start from Monday to Wednesday, but severe storms. I'm talking severe storms. We've got the cold air mixing up with your tropical air from the Indian Ocean. So Durban, Craig, you get ready, guys. So KZN, if you guys can get warnings out for low-lying areas, high velocity winds, severe flooding, get ready, because it's going to happen from Tuesday to Wednesday, in my opinion. So Durban, get ready. And the reason is, like I'm saying, is we've got cold air coming in from the Atlantic that just basically is clashing with warm tropical air from the Indian Ocean, and it's happening inland. So this cold front that is making its way through the country is going to be creating a lot of rain all the way from the Western Cape from today for the whole weekend, going through the interior, and it's going to be ending off in the KZN area with that warm tropical air disturbance. So it's going to cause a lot of instability in the atmosphere. So let's just quickly cap this off again. Please share this video, guys, because I always do it ahead of time. We'll start seeing warnings come out right after my speech on this release. I call it my own media release. So from Monday, basically, Eastern Cape, East Coast, get ready for a massive storm until Wednesday for KZN. So just get ready for that. Shahid, how's it? Good morning, Shahid. Yes, Shahid, it sells the best curtains. Okay, I'll tag Shahid in this post a little bit as well. But yeah, guys, KZN, get ready. Wednesday is D-Day for you guys. That's all I can say. I'm looking at these charts, and it's showing high velocity winds, a lot of rain. It's just havoc, guys. This is when these cold fronts meet a warm tropical front from the Indian Ocean. So you guys better get ready. So Joburg, rain possibilities on Monday. Tuesday, Eastern Cape, you got mood of a storms coming your way, and the East Coast. And Wednesday looks like D-Day for KZN. So get ready, guys. And Bloemfontein, rain for the interior this weekend, and definite rain for Cape Town this weekend. So this possibility of this cut-off low development is going to work its way right through the country. But the problem comes in, like I say, when it meets the warm tropical air from the Indian Ocean and the Atlantic air clashes with it, guys. It happens right over the interior, and it ends off in KZN. Share this video, guys, so KZN can get ready for their storms, guys. From about Tuesday to Wednesday night, get ready, KZN. It's time. Umtata, you also need to be share this Umtata, big storms for Umtata as well, the whole Eastern Cape. This is your AKA Weather Hooligan. I love you guys. All brought to you by Chill Out Air Conditioning. Cheers. Get ready. This is all in my opinion. Let's see what warnings come out for KZN after this video. Cheers. Ciao.